I'm just going to show you the final stage on this Audi Q2 tailgate and bumper that we repaired and painted. So this is going to be about flat and polishing, de-nibbing any bits of dirt and polishing. So it's pretty clean to be fair. I've got one nib there, and there's barely anything else, which I'm pleased about. Less nibs are better, obviously. There's one little one there. Tiny little one there. So we're so small. There's a few different ways I would nib, but depending on the severity of the size of the chunks of dirt and how many there is. It's nice and hard, this clear coat, so I'll just take the head off, take the bulk off with a tungsten block. There's a couple of little ones there. If they're really small, it barely touches them, to be fair. These work really well. You've got to be careful with them. It needs to be pretty rock hard to paint for to be able to use it properly and for it to work really well. And yeah, don't drop it. And then this one, I'm just going to use these little. I think they're 3,000 grit. So they're these. Tries out finesse it, so they don't actually give you the grit for these, but I'm just going to use this. Sometimes if I've got a few bits, I'd just use production paper 2000 by hand, and then I would go over with 3000 Trizac, but I can polish this straight away. Always try and just do a little bit of flattening past it to sort of blend your flattening mark in. So if you just do a spot, if you look in the clear coat, you can just see a complete flat patch next to orange peel. So once the nib's out, I try and fade out the flattening a little bit, if that makes sense. looks pretty clean. Just a little bit on that edge. So I'm just going to single stage polish this with the dual action. So I'm going to use medium cut, Koshkemi medium cut on the Bigfoot on the 15, and that'll be good enough. Single stage. If it was dark, or a darker colour, dark blue, black, any of that sort of colour, I'd probably do 2-stage, or I'd do rotary, and then I'd do dual action just to get any holograms out. That's about it. So there we go, finished. Pretty much factory orange peel. So that was me per CC9 clear coat on there, and yeah, like I say, I haven't got any footage of the damage because I never had the camera, but it was quite a deep dent round there, right through there. All this bottom was bulged down, and it's creased through here, and then the same on the bumper. What a handsome young man. And yeah, the feature line's pretty good, pretty straight. Sort of what I said in my previous videos, where we leave them in the filler, we leave them sharper so you can see how straight they are when they're sharp. And then I'll let the primer soften it up. I'm pretty pleased with that, to be fair. Colour's decent, even under these lights it looks pretty decent. So it looks good outside. And then yeah, with the trims done as well, matte clear. Managed to find the colours for them, that's always a mission, trying to find the trim colours. And then yeah, job's a good one.